Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders coming to you from beautiful Australia. This video, I'm not going to even give it a number. I'm just here to let you know something. First, great calls from the Omni about flat top market drop. Then we got a little bullish. Then we said, now we wait. Omni didn't want us in. Now Omni wants us to buy. The signals have been great. If we could get long today, we will get you guys filled. But this video is a little more important than that. Traders, I've literally have been on the internet since 1994 when it started. We can go back to the Wayback Machine and find my websites. I've been on every social network you could think of since they started. You know what's never happened to me before? I've never gotten in trouble. I've never been called suspicious activity. None of this has ever happened to me personally, ever, because I'm as true as you can find out there. But we did hire somebody to help us with our Twitter account to help build up awareness of the Omni token. And guess what? Shut down due to suspicious fucking activity. Me, one of my accounts. Can you believe this? I've been on the internet since it started without ever having trouble. Someone else takes control of it. Just like that, I look like a fucking asshole. I am sorry that that happened to you traders. I will get it fixed. I am not somebody who needs to be talked about as possibly suspicious activity. You guys know me much better than that. I just wanted to do this video to apologize to you about Twitter. We will fix that account. This guy's gone. I don't want him touching my stuff ever again. Markets look good to me today. Certainly S&P, NASDAQ, Russell looks great if you can get a fill there. And actually, take a look at soybeans, too. That doesn't look bad either, kids. Barring that, I am going to stop this video now because we got OmniCamp Day 4 starting in a few moments. I just wanted to reiterate that was not on me. It is not my style to do anything that would make me look in any way, shape, or form like I'm not telling you 100% the truth about everything I do. So my apologies about Twitter. We will rectify that immediately. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. My apologies again. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are in dramatically with me right now. I'll see you cats later.